Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's only been 6 weeks. Got a new project finally. Kind of excited about it. You know, everybody says the best day of a boat owner's life. There's two of the best days are the day they buy it, and the day they sell it.
The reason that bad things happen to you is because you're a dumbass.
So today's the day I bought it. Got a crazy deal. I offered the guy I'm embarrassed. I offered him such a small amount. I didn't think he would take it, but I had to at least hurl it out there because that's all I had in the budget. So I'm pretty excited about it. We're gonna see. We're on our way to look at it now, and probably pick it up. So I'll pick up the video when we get there. So, but thanks for checking out the channel. I'm Bobby. It's Flipping Nuts, and yeah, you'll see why in about 30 seconds. Oh my gosh, what was I thinking? All right, well, here it is. It's a little Bayliner. You know what? I don't even know what year it is. Looks like it's on the title, it's a 98 Bayliner. Little cuddy cabin. Looks like a Shorelander trailer. I doubt if he's got any registration on the trailer. I'll ask him about that when he gets back. These things are notoriously pretty much junk, but for the price, it comes with a good motor and this outdrive and another outdrive. The skeg on this one, if you'll notice, the skeg down there is chipped pretty bad, but it's still functional. And if I have to, maybe I could weld something on there, but that's the motor. Yeah, that one's coming out. He's got another motor that's coming with it. So needs a lot of work. Anyway, I dropped my little screw that holds the adapter for the GoPro off. So dadgummit, I can't use the mount. But anyway, figure the trailer's worth the $300 I got in the boat. Unfortunately, I don't think he gave me any paperwork for the trailer, so I'm going to figure that out. To do a homemade trailer deal. That's unfortunately usually how we end up doing it down here. Yep. So that bad boy's got to come out, and another one's got to come in. He says he has. So I got to get this crap out of the way, and so we can make room for it. Hopefully the guy will let him use the excavator to grab the motor for me, and an outdrive. Crazy. It's filming now. All right. Mostly the engine and stuff. I really don't want to be in it.
Yeah, okay.
You wouldn't happen to have a rag, would you? One of them pieces of paper.
One? Hold on. You'll be alright. Okay.
Yeah, that's a big old tooth. Lift it off. It's got about a foot over here. straight down. Can't pull that tarp out a little bit. Hang on a sec, hang on. And just come to me a little. Now, up. Actually, can you go left a little, like 2 inches? There you go, right here. A little bit more. Okay, and then straight down. There we go. Okay, you're good. Maybe just a touch, yeah. Right there, right there. That's perfect. Alright, you can go ahead and move. You might want to come up a bit if you can. There you go. Alright, and then that actually will work. There we go. Perfect. You're clear? No. Huh? There you go. Look at that. It's in there. Nothing but a little bit of excitement. All right, guys, we made it back safe and sound, no problem. Trailer did great. So I'm sure some of you guys are going, what in the heck was he thinking?
What is going on in your head?
And some of you guys were thinking, man, you didn't do too bad. No, I don't think I did either. For 300 bucks, I got a pretty decent trailer, a pretty decent hull. Down here in Florida, the Bayliners are not the most popular boats, but you know what? It's a decent hull. It's in really good shape. These are normally broken out, and it looks like it's all right. And the trailer, galvanized trailer, it may even be aluminum. I don't know. I have to check into it. Looks like it's galvanized. It's in great shape. Got galvanized wheels on it. They're in good shape. Decent rubber. It's not too bad dry rotted. I got a motor sitting right there, and so I'll have to hoist that out. And I'm probably gonna get it and check it, see if I can get it running before I even start doing the swap. This motor, as you can see, somebody left the carburetor off of the intake and let it fill with water, so I don't think that's savable. I may try and turn it over and see, but it's not likely, which is fine with me. I don't really care. Obviously it's gonna need floors. I need to get this canopy. It actually came with a canopy. I can't guess what kind of shape it's in. Just from looking at it, doesn't look too great. And you know, I got to get all that out of the way. It does have a spare out drive to go with that motor. It matches that motor. This one is all right. The prop's a little chewed up, and the skeg has been bumped a few times. I think probably he said it was because of corrosion, but I think it was because I couldn't get it up going down the road. So this out drive just won't come up, so which is fine, because I have spare, so not too worried about it. Like I said, the hull's in decent shape. The really what I need to do is just start gutting it, take everything out of here, get rid of the rotten wood, and go from there. The reason I got this boat, well, I'll talk about that later, depending on whether we can get it running or not. But there is a reason. I have a reason for getting a boat, and it is that time of year anyway. I would normally get a jet ski and be working on a jet ski project or a couple of them, and this year I wanted to do this. And if we decide to salvage this boat or save it, then I'll post, you know, I'll talk about that with y'all. But right this second, I don't know whether I'm going to try and save it or not. I do like the boat. It looks like it's in really good shape. I would be shocked if it's got 300 or 400 hours on it. It just looks like typical of Florida. They sit outside, they won't start, and then people just throw them away, which is usually how it works down here. Because they're a dime a dozen. I mean, you get to figure $300. I mean, I can get probably, you know, I mean, just look at the parts, the outdrive, a motor and another outdrive, the trailer, and if I scrap the hull, I'd still be way in the positive. And honestly, that's one of the reasons I did it. But I really kind of hope I can save it. It's a, you know, decent little boat. I am a diver, and so I can set this whole area up really nicely for doing some diving, and the boat's not so big that I wouldn't be able to get in and out of some tight spots. I don't know what the draw on this boat is. I would imagine it's not much more than 3 or 4 inches, maybe 6 inches, which would be, you know, fantastic. But you know, we'll get to it. What I'll do is I'm gonna go ahead and finish the video there, and let you guys know how much I appreciate y'all checking out the video. And if you have any interest in this project, if you have an idea for a name, if you want to even see me do it, let me know, because honestly, that will absolutely make a difference on whether I do this boat or not. When I bought it, I thought no way was it salvageable for the price, and then when I got out there and looked at what I had to work with, I'll be honest, I got a little bit excited, you know. I mean, it's a neat little rig. So, but with that, thank you guys for checking out the video. I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it. And again, sorry it took me so long to get back on here. But you know, hey, we're back. So I'm gonna get started on this right away, and I will be videoing it. I'm gonna try and get videos up a lot more frequently. Like I said, about the last 6 weeks, crazy stuff going on. So, but anyway, I really appreciate you guys checking out the video, and we'll see you next time. Bye.